Hello, and welcome to the quick and easy tutorial of how to use the timeline on Ancient History Encyclopedia's website. From the main page, hover your cursor over the Encyclopedia drop-down menu, then select the third link, Timeline. The timeline search has date range fields and era menus. You can enter keywords, places, and names in the field below. A categories filter can help you limit or broaden your search. When you are ready for your search results, click the Search button. Results are broken into two main categories, date range and specific dates. There are also links to Ancient History Encyclopedia articles throughout the timeline. You can further broaden or limit your search by using the filters on the right side of the page. Ancient History Encyclopedia is a nonprofit organization that relies on the support of history lovers like you. Individual memberships and institutional plans are available through our website. All donations to help us in our mission are sincerely appreciated. Thank you very much for using Ancient History Encyclopedia, and happy learning.